Hey, it's me, Furry Face. Yeah, what I'm doing now is I've installed the fuck's it called? Zorin operating system, Zorin 16 OS core program, where it works. I'm using Cheese again. I use the same video component as Ubuntu 18. Anyway, yeah, it seems to work pretty good. Oh, that's the design on my t-shirt. I thought it was dirt. Anyway, yeah. It's going to walk you through it. Take a look at Zorin. I did it as next to Windows 8.1 because I didn't want to delete that or go over that because I want to still play my game, for fuck's sake. But I can't play it on I think it's a Linux program, Zorin. It seems like it with what it's loaded in and stuff, and using Cheese, same thing, yeah. Anyway, I have to turn the camera around now. Oh shit, how are you gonna see the screen with my video thing popped all over it? Oh wait, I can do that. Maybe. Should still run. Okay, hang on. Turn that around so you can see the screen. I can't put it right up there because it's too freaking close. Oh, it's not bad. Pretty well covers the screen. Okay, we're going to turn the video thing off so you can see the screen. There it is. It should be showing up on video. What am I looking at? Brave, blah, blah, blah. Pop out 3D. I don't know what half this shit is. DOSBox, Screen Cloud. UBC, blah, blah, blah. Some kind of video program, but I'm using Cheese. Deepen Voice, CPod. Audio and video. I wonder if they got any music at all. Games. What do they have for games? Or are these games, well, fucking nothing happens. That's what I got for games. Nothing. Anyway, fuck. Go back to the other fucking thing. So much for that. Is that what happened? Oh, there's some games in there. Oh, there's featured games now. 3D chess. I could try that for a bit. Ooh. Oh, you have to install it first. Well, excuse fucking me. And the stupid code. Oh, for Christ's sake, I hate this code bullshit. Fucking, where's the keyboard? I can't fucking see. One more letter. Alright. Authenticate. Oh, jeez, I hate having to authenticate every fucking thing you do on this. Same thing with Ubuntu. Anyway. La la la. Hurry up. Launch. Let's take a look at it. Oh, it looks like shit, actually. Welcome to blah blah blah. Undo, resign. Fuck off. Oh, what happened? I clicked it off? That's fucking dumb. Launch again. Christ's sake, how am I supposed to play the fucking game with this fucking thing in the way? That's freaking ridiculous. How many boards do you need up here? They got 3 fucking boards. Am I supposed to choose a board? The fuck? 3DC, 3DC, 5, 3DC, X, 3DC, boy, I don't know what to fucking choose. We'll try X, and they all go off. Fuck about dumb. Fuck. Oh, fuck off. I gotta use that for that one. Probably that for that one too. Yep, that for that one too. Okay. Fuck, it's small. Can I expand it? Oh, very good. The pieces still stay small. That's fucking stupid. Anyway, we'll drop... I think that's the queen. Oh, I don't want to be black. Fuck! Never mind. We'll play this some other day. This guy takes me time to figure it out. Fucking stupid. That's a crappy looking chessboard anyway. Fuck. Ugh. I'm not gonna play something online. Fuck that. Solitaire, nah. What crappy games. Action, adventure, arcade, board games. Oops. Board games. 3D Chess X. Let's have a look at that one instead. Install. Might look better. Fuck. Oh good, I didn't have to put in the fucking code again. Ugh. La la la. That's a better picture. Hopefully it looks better. Launch. Skip loading. We'll go to small database. I don't want to do too much. Fuck. The fuck is that, the game? It's too fucking small. Idiots. It's way too fucking small. How am I supposed to play it like that? That's ridiculous. Hasn't even made a move yet. The fuck? Get out of here, fuck. What a stupid fucking thing that is. Goodbye. Fuck crap. That's garbage. Fuck. Let's see what Firefox looks like and see what YouTube looks like. La la la. Takes a while for Firefox to come on. Hello. What's the speaker volume set at? Ooh, let's increase that. Alright. Alright. Zorin's release, blah blah blah. That's the Google search? The fuck? YouTube. Wow, talk about large lettering. Fuck. You can tell I'm not a typist. Enter, I guess. Fuck. Okay, YouTube. I like the hand instead of the arrow though, that's a change. As an icon, anyway. Today, fuck. Oh god, it's so fucking slow. One household, 6 accounts, one great price. What the fuck is that? I don't want to get that now, you morons. Deaf girl shows up gang signs. Who cares? Although she looks cute. Anyway, weirdest motorsports, relaxing music, fucking gaming, inside Dominican Republic's most dangerous hood. Okay, let's check that out. What's this, a fucking commercial? Oh, fuck off. That's true, I don't have any, fucking ad blocker or anything.
LG OLED Evo.
The fuck is this shit? More fucking ads? Come on, fuck off. Skip ad. Today. Fuck. Jesus Christ, it takes for fucking ever. Get it back there. I don't want that fucking thing. What is this? Okay, there it is. Fuck. Sound. That might help. Play. Jesus, fuck.
¿Qué lo que?
¿Qué lo
I'm in
que?
Santo Domingo,
Hola, Santo
the capital
Domingo.
of the Dominican Republic. And it's been raining on and off. And I am at the
It's been
station
raining.
of
Hold on, no. I'm getting good at
Chaule,
this, yeah.
which is written Gaule.
Gaule.
And we are going to take the, they call it a fericole. It's the metro cable. So we're going to take that now. I'm going to go inside. I have to put my face mask on. We're going to get inside, buy a ticket, and take the metro cable, and then hop off at one of the barrios there and see what we can find. Let's go.
Let's go. Nacho Macho, let's go. Yeah, okay,
Buenos días. ¿Cómo está? Listo.
¿Cómo está? I know what that means.
Hola, buenos días. Hola. ¿Puedo comprar una ticket hasta el último estación, por favor? We got the ticket. Here it is.
What you pay for it?
Tarjeta de carga única. So it's one way there, one way back. Oh, there we go.
$1.31, that's it?
Let's not be late.
Wow, pretty cheap.
We got it all for ourselves.
Costs more to catch the bus out here than it does the
We got it all
metro
for
or
ourselves.
whatever.
All right. So
Or train.
this is
What the fuck
apparently
is he
the
catching?
most
Looks like
dangerous area of the
like
Dominican Republic. The area
one of
that
those
is
ski lift
situated
thingies.
on the
What the fuck?
Ozama River, which you'll see in a second.
Well, he's wearing his mask, so that's good.
As this thing hurries up.
Anyway,
But yeah, it's my second day here.
it's my second day here.
and so far,
Looks like YouTube
I've
works
really enjoyed
okay.
it. I'm staying.
I don't want to really get into too much of that video, but it's oh, it puts up another page for that, did it? Or something. Anyway, what else is there? The side of Dominica. Why is this guy all over the fucking YouTube? What's this? Zorin wants me to watch him? It's like, come on, there's got to be somebody else on here. Fuck. Oh, maybe because I didn't sign in. How do you sign in with Zorin? Zorin. Oh, it's a Google sign in. Ah, okay. Shit. You get to see my sign-in code. I'm going to have to turn that around a little. Hang on. I gotta make a fucking... Back up. Fuck off. Okay. Oh, again? Why is it skipping fucking spaces? Get over there. Fucking dumb shit. Okay. Fuck. At. Dot. Where's the dot? Fuck. Oh, come on. I'll move everything fucking out of the way. God damn it. Dot what? Come. Oh, fuck. Okay, next. Yeah, the fucking code. What else is new? And I gotta get the book out. Because I don't remember my freaking code. It's like, Christ. Oh, hurry up. Fucking pages stick together. Fuck off. KB. Oh. Okay. What? Oh, for fuck's sake, the cursor wasn't there. I gotta type it all over again. Ah! Fuck! Fuck. I don't want a space there. Fuck off. Move them outside of the fucking way. God. No, not that. Fuck, it's awkward because I got my stand right in front of the freaking keyboard. Alright, we're off. It's about fucking time. Yeah, oh, I clicked don't save. I shouldn't have done that, but what the fuck? Who cares? God, it's too late now. I can't back up. Oh. Skip back. It's the same fucking bullshit. Anyway, anybody leave me any messages? Same shit as before. Goodbye. Fuck, well, at least we have other options now. Like live news, ABC, NBC News. Fuck off. Back to that. History, downloads, passwords, add-ons, and themes. Okay. You want... Oh, I gotta move this shit out the way. Fuck. I forgot to turn the camera around too, but anyway. Here you go. Where was I? Ad block. CK. Come on, fuck. Go. Please show something. Okay, good. Here's ad block, 15,000 yards. Ad block ultimate recommended. I prefer ad guard though, so let's go for ad guard. Add to Firefox. Today, fuck. Add. Jesus Christ, you gotta click so many shit. Okay. Oh, my hand just hit my fucking tray because it's hanging off the table a bit. Fuck. What the hell is that? So what? Stop popping up these fucking screens for nothing. Okay, we got ad block. What's next? Oh, I gotta move the whole fucking thing out the fucking way. God! Fuck! I need better camera arrangements. Fuck. Oh, fuck off. YouTube ad block. Because, you know, regular ad block doesn't work for YouTube, I guess. I don't know. See if that comes up with anything. Ad blocker for YouTube. There it is. Alright. Fuck. Add to Firefox. Add. Fuck.
Rittenhouse faces 7 charges, including first-degree intentional homicide.
Shut up.
Lawyers insist he acted in self-defense. The prosecution is expected to rest its case.
Shut up. Fuck, I don't want you to come on, for fuck's sake. Okay, get rid of that. Get rid of that. What's the next one I needed? Weather. Well, how do you spell weather? Okay. Weather. There it is. Okay, that's the usual one I use. Add to Firefox. Today. Fuck. Think so fucking slow. Add. It's a 64-bit program too. I didn't mention that, but it is. It could be why it's slower. 32-bit might be faster, but they didn't have this in 32-bit. Fuck. Anyway. Hi, I'm Tim, blah, blah, blah. Who cares who you are? Fuck. Okay, weather. The fuck on. Okay, Toronto? I don't think so. Let's try Montreal, you dipshits. Fuck. Oh, my postal code. Montreal, Quebec, that's all it says. Fine. Okay, go back to this. Come on, fuck. Click Toronto off. And there we go. Okay. Yeah, I know I deleted that, you morons. You don't have to tell me. He's like, fuck. Stupid fucking things. Alright. So weather's there. Ad block's there. Where is weather? What's that? Save to pocket. What the fuck? Anyway. What the hell happened? Oh, back to YouTube.
Battles just around the...
Okay, let's click this shit off for a second. Boom. Ugh. I don't even know if you can see the freaking screen right now. Where's the screen pop up? Where is it? What's that? Nothing. Ugh. Where the hell? That's supposed to be off anyway. Wait a minute. Yeah, quit 4 windows. Ah, there it is. Fuck. Oh, we gotta go that way. Ah. Okay, there's my screen. Isn't that beautiful? It looks like it changed things. Now it says compact on the top. Oh, that's my monitor. FS7, yeah, it's my monitor. Strange. Anyway, let's press the start bar there. Oh, you can't even see it on the screen, can you? I don't know. There it is. Games. Internet. Internet? What the fuck is that? It's a picture of a cloud. Oh. What the hell's that? Connect to remote desktops. I don't think so. Anyway. Pictures, videos, I don't have any documents, desktop, blah, 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 desktop. Oh, who cares? Get the fuck off. I'm gonna have to do some experimenting. See what else I can do on here. It's gonna take time. Anyway, still checking things out. At least I know the camera works. Well, I haven't played it back or anything, but I'll have to do that soon. Furry face signing off. Toodaloo kangaroo, see you later, a gator, a channel brown cow, and a wild crocodile, and in a balloon baboon. Well, and this is my face. Anyway, see ya. Yeah. Oh, subscribe and click the bell icon for more wonderful videos by me. See ya.